They are planning to cage me in this life. Hindi na nila ako palalayain. I did everything, but it's not enough for them to see me as their child. Until now, I am one of their employee. And right now, they want me to be their robot, who will follow everything they want me to do. Nawala ako sa sarili ko dahil sa mga salitang binitawan ni Mommy. I can't even read a business paper. It affected me so much. Wala sa sariling napahilot ako sa sarili kong sentido. Saka po mga lumbaba sa lamesa. Bigla akong nahilo. I suddenly want to sleep in my soft bed. Habang nasa ganoon akong posisyon ay biglang bumukas ang pinto ng opisina ko. Bahagya akong umayos ng upo dahil doon. "Ma'am, someone want to give you this," Anne said. Pumasok siya dalang isang paper bag. Kunot-noo ko iyong tiningnan. "Who?" Tanong ko sa kabahagyang sinilip ang laman ng paper bag. My face lit up when I saw a lot of foods, buko pie and drinks. May vegetable salad rin, at ilang mga finger foods. "Who gave this?" Takang tanong ko. Akmang sasagot na sana si Anne nang may sumilip sa hindi nakasarang pinto ng opisina. It's Mark with his awkward smile. "I forgot this. It's from Zeus." Mahinang sambit niya. Saka nagdalawang isip akong papasok. Pero sa huli nahihiya siyang pumasok sa loob ng opisina ko para ihatid ang isa pang paper bag na hawak niya. My brows furrowed. Muli kong sinilip ang isa pang paper bag at nakita kong kanin at ulam ang laman niyon. I sighed. These foods made me feel a little bit light. "Thanks," mahinang sambit ko. Mark suddenly gasped when he heard me say those words. But after a while he and Anne left. Nang tuluyan silang makalabas ay nilabas ko lahat ng pagkain sa paper bag. Mabilis akong kumain at mas lalong gumaan ang pakiramdam ko. They are sweet but healthy. After 30 minutes, I finished all the foods except from the rice and unusual Filipino food. But I don't know. I'll eat that later for lunch. Ngayon ay busog na ako. I feel so light. It made me forget what happened earlier. I stood up because I feel so bloated. But after a while, I feel like I want to vomit. Mabilis akong tumakbo patungong banyo para sumuka. As usual, inilabas ko lahat ng kinain ko. "Julia!" Dinig kong tawag ng boses ni Daddy sa labas. Nanlaki ang mga mata ko't dali-dali akong lumabas sa banyo para harapin siya. "Dad," I said. I sighed secretly. He didn't see me vomit. It's fine. "You'll meet one of our stockholders today. I can't meet him, so you will replace me. Hurry up. He's very important. My secretary will send you the details." Malamig na sabi niya saka mabilis akong tinalikuran. Bahagya akong napamura sa isipan ko sa kainis kong kinuha ang cellphone ko. It's funny to think that I deleted Sue's number on my contacts, but I memorized it very well. I typed his number as quick as I can before sending him a message. Inis akong umupo sa swivel chair ko. Muli akong nakaramdam ng gutom dahil sa pagsusuka, kaya inis kong binuksan ng kanin at ulam at nagsimula akong kumain habang nakatitig sa screen ng phone ko. "Me, where are you? I need my car." I rolled my eyes because he did not reply after 1 minute. Mabilis na uminit ang ulo ko. I was about to turn off my phone, but it suddenly rang for a call. Inis kong sinagot ang tawag nang makita na number yun ni Zeus. "I'll go there. I'll drive for you." Sabi niya kaya napairap ako. "Hurry up!" Inis na sambit ko. Nasaan pang kotse niya? I rolled my eyes again before ending the call. Binilisan ko ang pagkain at matapos kong kumain ay inayos ko ang makeup ko. Nang makita kong pula kong lipstick ay hindi ko maiwasang alalahanin ang halikan namin ni Zeus kanina. I did a right decision for wearing a kiss-proof lipstick today, ha? Nang matapos kong mag-ayos ay mabilis akong lumabas. Mabilis akong sinalubong ni Anne at kaagad sinabi ang mga detalye kung saan ako makikipagkita sa isang stockholder. I immediately nodded before going to the elevator. After this, I will go home straight. I want to sleep. Nang makalabas ako sa building ay mabilis kong natanaw ang kotse kong kakahintula. Zeus went out and he immediately saw me. I maintained my cold face as he opened the door of the shotgun seat for me. "Where's your car? Why are you using mine?" Inis na tanong ko nang makapasok siya sa driver's seat. "Nasa apartment ko. I have no time to get it. I bought an old hotel just last week. I'm working for its renovation." Sabi niya, kaya napairap ako saka napasandal ng maayos. He's trying to build his own name as a hotelier. It made me amazed. Hindi ko alam kung paano magsimula sa pinakamababa. kaya hindi ko maiwasang mamangha. I want to build my own name away from my parents' shadow, but I guess it's impossible. Binigay ko sa kanya ang address kung saan ako pupunta, kaya mabilis siyang nagmaneho patungo doon. Did you eat the food I gave? Binigay ni Mark? Tanong niya kalaunan. Obviously, mahinang sagot ko habang nakahalukip-kip. Hindi na siya muli pang nagsalita hanggang sa makarating kami sa harap ng building na pag-aari ng isang stockholder na kakausapin ko. Zeus was faster than me, so he opened the door for me. I'll wait for you here, sabi niya. Bahagya ko siyang nilingon. Why don't you just get your car and leave mine here? Because I can definitely drive, I said before walking towards the entrance of the building. I'll wait here. Just message me when you're done, he said, loud enough for me to hear. May sumalubong na sekretarya sa akin at kaagad niya akong dinala sa opisina ng CEO na kakausapin ko. And I was surprised when I saw who it was. John? I murmured when I saw him. He immediately smiled. Hi, nice to see you, Julia. I'm happy that you are fine. This is our office here in the Philippines, he said, so I nodded. Oh yes, let's start. I'm sleepy. Sabi ko saka umupo sa silyang nasa harap ng lamesa niya. I thought I'll be meeting your dad. But anyways, let's start. We did a business meeting, and it ended so quick. So I stood up after, because I badly want to leave. How's the baby? I mean, you and that guy get back together now? Tanong niya kaya napatingin ako sa mga mata niya. My baby's fine. And the answer in your second question is no, I said before walking towards the door. I'm still here, always open to marry you if you agreed. Sabi niya na hindi ko na sinagot dahil tuloy-tuloy na akong lumabas. Nang tuluyan akong makalabas ng building ay hindi ko mahagilap si Zeus at ang kotse. Napatiimbagang ako saka pumunta sa malapit na open space na parking lot. I was about to get my phone to message him, but my eyes found him with someone. Maybe they really have an undeniable connection. Because they always find each other, huh? Napalunok ako ng dahan-dahan. I saw Trisha held Zeus' arms. Mabilis na iniwas ni Zeus ang braso niya, pero hinabol yun ni Trisha. I walked towards them, slowly until I heard them. Please, Zeus, hindi ko kaya to. Hindi ko kaya na panoorin ka sa iba. Please, patawarin mo na ako. Akma sana akong mag-iiwas ng tingin, kaso natagpuan ako ni Zeus. Lumayo siya kay Trisha at lumapit sa akin. I looked at him coldly. May takot at pangamba sa mga mata niya. Give me my keys, I said. No, we're leaving together, he said, but I shook my head. Zeus, Trisha begged even more. They need to talk. Give me my keys, Zeus, I coldly demanded. Napapikit siya ng mariin sa kadahan-dahan na binigay sa akin ng susi ng kotse ko. Nakaagad ko rin kinuha. Nang makuha ko yun ay mabilis kong kinuha ang isang importanteng bagay para sa akin. Saka nilagay sa palad niya. It's your choice, I said before walking towards my car. Nang pumasok ako sa kotse ko ay muli ko siyang nilingon. Nakatulala siyang nakatingin sa susi ng penthouse ko na binigay ko sa kanya. I want him to know that I am not forcing him. I am letting him choose. And I also want him to know that I am now finally let him enter my life fully. I can't deny the fact that I want him. I want to be with him. Behind my ego, I know in myself that I'll be happy if he won't leave me from now on. I drove my way to my penthouse. At matamlay akong umupo sa couch nang makarating. Hindi ko maiwasang kabahan. Takot ako sa posibilidad na baka hindi sumunod si Zeus. But it's fine. Pero sana sa pagkakataon to sundan niya ako. Pero paano kung hindi? What if he realizes that he doesn't want to be with me? I am spoiled, arrogant, overconfident, and I always say a lot of hateful words towards him. He can back off. He can realize that Trisha is better. I am so insecure. Natatakot rin ako. Who would stay with me? Sino ang gustong makasama ako? I always act like I can do everything. I always push him away. I am always questioning him. I've never been good to him. My eyes began to water. It's fine. I'll accept whatever it is. Nang tumayo ako para umakyat sa itaas, ay siya ring pagbukas ng pinto. Mabilis akong lumingon doon at tila biglang huminto ang mundo ko. Nang makita si Zeus na pumasok, My tears fell as I stared at him. Sinalubong niya ang mga mata ko. So, you are in love with me? Because you're here right now? Nanginginig na tanong ko, habang patuloy sa pagtulong mga luha kong masagana. Yes, he firmly answered, and I took that as a cue to run towards him. Mabilis niya akong sinalubong ng isang mahigpit na yakap, kaya kumawala ang hagulgol ko. This is real. He's here. Are you sure? Naiiyak na tanong ko. Kaya dahan-dahan siyang kumawala mula sa pagkakayakap sa akin para hawakan ng magkabilang pisngi ko. My lips shivered because of crying. Hindi ko siya matingnan ng klaro dahil sa mga luha ko. I can't explain my feelings right now. I am here. Baka nagkakamali ka lang. Baka hindi niya ako hinayaan pang magsalita dahil mabilis niyang nilapat ang mainit niyang labi sa mga labi kong nanginginig. The kiss was too quick. My lips parted because of that. At mas lalo lang akong naiyak nang punasan niyang mga luha ko. Stop crying. Malambing na bulong niya. Bago dinikit ang noo niya sa akin, I cried even more. I told you, kung hindi siya nagsinungaling na buntis ay hindi ako aalis sa'yo. He whispered while wiping my tears. Napapikit ako sa kamas lalong dumikit sa kanya. Bahagya niyang inayos ang buhok ko bago ako yakapin ng mahigpit. I buried my face on his chest, and I inhaled his natural scent. It comforted me a bit, but my tears won't stop from falling. He kissed my forehead a lot of times. Mas lalo akong dumikit sa kanya. Ayaw kong lumayo. I want this. I want him this close to me. I love you. He murmured before making me look at him. Napaawang ng bahagya ang mga labi ko. I tried to read his eyes, but I couldn't because I am busy crying. Para akong nananaginip. My whole world stopped, and the moment he kisses my lips again, I feel like I am floating. A strong electric current runs all throughout my body. I gripped his arm more because of that. I'm telling the truth, he whispered in between his kisses. Ilang sandali pa'y unti-unti niya akong binuhat. I quickly encircled my legs on his hips. Heat invaded my whole body as I kissed him back with so much passion and warmth. Marahan siyang humakbang papunta sa itaas. I let him. I gripped his hair as our lips were still intact. After a few minutes, we reached my room. Dahan-dahan niya akong pinahiga sa kama kaya naputol ang halikan namin. Tiningnan ko siya gamit ang mapupungay kong mga mata habang inaalis niya ang sapatos na suot ko. Are you sleepy? He gently asked. Mahina akong umiling. Aalis ka ba? Mahinang tanong ko. No. Marahang sabi niya saka marahang lumuhod sa paanan ko para muling maabot ang mga labi ko. I immediately encircled my arms on his nape to kiss him better. At nang lumalim ang halik, ay bigla siyang tumigil. I gasped and I pulled him closer to me to kiss him again, but he won't let me. Pumungay ang mga mata ko habang nakatitig sa mga mata niyang nakakapaso. Stop being rude to me. Marahang sambit niya, bago ako paulanan ng maliliit na halik, na siyang nagbibigay ng labis na kiliti sa akin. I moaned and I craned my neck to give him more access. Ang sungit mo. Bulong niya saka siya marahang humalakhak. I bit my lower lips to suppress my moans. Mas lalong kumalat ang init sa katawan ko nang bahagya niyang kagatin ng sensitibong parte ng leeg ko. Ilang sandali pa'y muli siyang huminto. I gasped so hard. I'll cook for you. Zeus, I gently called. I want him so much. I want to feel the heat even more. Nang marinig niya ang tono na ginamit ko, ay napaigting ang panga niya. He attacked my lips with his kisses again. Ramdam na ramdam kong pag-iingat niya na huwag akong tuluyang taganan. I pulled him even closer to me. Hindi ako nakontento. I began to unbutton his top. Mom, let's visit your OB first, he gently said. Tumigil na siya sa paghalik sa akin para tingnan kung paano ko kalasin ang mga botones na suot niya. And when I did it, he cursed. Pwede ba to? Umiigting ang pangangsambit niya. I gasped so hard. Lumayo siya sa akin kaya napaupo ako sa kama para habulin ang mga labi niya. He slightly kissed me, pero ramdam na ramdam ko ang pagpipigil niya. Ilang sandali pa ay lumayo siya. I gasped violently while staring at him. Mabilis niyang nilabas mula sa bulsa ng pants na suot niya ang phone. Zeus, I shouted. He typed something, and after a while he joined me on the bed again. This time he kissed me with so much hungriness. Siya na rin mismong naghubad ng pang-itaas niyang damit. Nanatili kaming nakaupo. And after a few seconds, I felt him cupping mine. I arched my back, and I gripped his hair even more. The sensation is killing me. Tila naninibago ang katawan ko. Zeus, I moaned when he began to lift up my dress. And in a few moments, I found out that I'm already topless. We'll take this slow, he whispered using his husky voice. His lips trailed down to my neck until I found my fix. I want this so much. I want him. When he satisfied himself, his trailed down until it reached in between my legs. At nakakabaliw na sensasyon ng nararamdaman ko hanggang sa nakaramdam ako ng init na unti-unting namuo sa loob ng tiyan ko, na dahilan para tumindig lahat ng balahibo ko sa katawan. And when the forming heat exploded, I feel so damn weak, yet I am still not satisfied. Zeus stood up. I know the next thing he'll do. Dali-dali niyang binuksan ang belt niya saka mabilisan na hinubad ang slacks, boxers, pati sapatos niyang suot. After he took all his clothes, he joined me again. We kissed as he rubbed himself against me. Napapadaing ako lalo. Please, please, I begged. I really want this. I want him so much. I want him inside me. And after a few seconds, he gently moved. His slow movements are making me frustrated even more. I want it fast. Faster. I groaned as I bit his shoulder. No. Tila nahihirapan na sambit niya at nagpatuloy sa mabagal na paggalaw. I hugged him so tight after that. Gumulong siya patungo sa gilid ko saka ako niyakap ng mahigpit habang kapwa kami naghahabol ng hininga. I love you. I really do. I've been attracted to you since then. He murmured, but I am too tired to process those words. I buried my face on his sweaty chest. He's really here on my bed right now. Ilang sandali pa'y dahan-dahan siyang bumaba sa tiyan ko. He gently kissed my tummy, so I slightly combed his hair using my fingers. Ilang ulit niyang hinalikan ng tiyan ko. I thought I'll never hold you like this again. Sabi niya saka muling bumalik sa pagkakayakap sa akin. I hugged him so tight too. Don't keep a secret from me again. Kahit ano pa yun. Please, tell me everything. I'll listen. I'll understand. He whispered while kissing my hair. What happened? Where's Trisha? Tanong ko kalauna nang makabawi. Mas lalo niya akong hinalikan sa ulo. I hugged him even more. I love this position. I love it. I love how close we are. Gustong-gusto kong natural na init ng katawan niya. I asked for forgiveness. Umalis ako kaagad. I went to my apartment to get my car and I followed you. He whispered. Napalunok ako ng mariin. You love her. I love you. I promise. He said after he cutted me. I sighed. I am happy. Pero hindi nawala ang pagkabagabag sa isip ko. Ilang sandali pa'y marahan siyang bumangon para abutin ang cellphone niya na nahulog sa sahig. Nang bumalik siya sa pagkakahiga sa tabi ko, ay mas lalo niya akong ninalapit sa kanya. He opened his phone and he chuckled. Nang makita ko kung ano ang nasa screen ng phone niya, ay napangiti na rin ako. So he searched in Google if it's safe to make love with a pregnant woman, ha? Kaya siya nagtipa kanina? Hindi ko naiwasan pang matawa. Seriously? Natatawang sambit ko habang pinapanood ang pag-scroll niya sa cellphone niya. Seriously. So here are the safest positions. Nakangiting sambit niya kaya napangiwi ako't mabilis siyang tinalikuran. Bahagya siyang humalakak bago tuluyang binitawan ang cellphone niya para mayakap ako habang nakatalikod. He showered my nape with his kisses. I can't believe you are here with me now. He whispered heartfully. Pinagpatuloy niyang pagdampi ng mararahang halik sa bato ko. Tiningnan ko iyon. And on his left wrist, I saw his tattoo. Kailan ka nagpatattoo? Mahinang tanong ko kaya huminto siya sa ginagawa saka ako pinilit na humarap sa kanya. Saturday morning, he said before looking at his tattoo. Dahan-dahan ko yung hinawakan. Why see? Mahinang tanong ko. He sighed. I'm trying to forget you. Sabi ko, baka nga nadala lang ako. Baka nanibago lang ako. I tried to forget everything about you because I thought having you is impossible now. Pabulong na sagot niya. Sa kamarahan na hinalikan ng labi ko. His kiss lasted for 5 seconds. It's impossible.
No, I just want to be a good father. When Trish told me that she's pregnant. Trust me, Mom. Trust me. I broke up with Trisha back then. When you ended our contract because it made me crazy. Akala ko talagang nalihis lang ako ng landas. I was ready to settle down, but you entered my life. Your contract ruined me. It ruined me so much. Kahit saan ako magpunta po lang nakikita ko. Your red lips. I cheated for real because I want you for me. I want the idea of you in my arms.